Real life isn't spotless, there's always something on the floor. Hair, crumbs, dust, random glitter from crafts, or decoration changes. So I needed a vacuum that didn't just look smart, but actually handled everything. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Today I'm going to share a recent addition to my house cleaning routine that I'm very happy with. The Narwal Freo Z10. The newest and best robot vacuum from Narwal. Both my daughter and I have long hair. As you can imagine, there's always loose hair pieces on the floor. You know how most robot vacuums suck up hair and then get it all tangled in the brushes, but not the Z10. Even after vacuuming my long hair, there is no wrapping around the roller or side brushes. This floating roller brush and side brush combo saves me from that gross detangling job. If you're someone who's constantly cleaning the vacuum with scissors, this system alone is a game changer for you. I also didn't realize how much gunk built up along the wall and in the corners until I saw the Z10 cleaning there. It has the unique mop extension and side-to-side swing. Basically, it hugs the corners and the baseboards. You know, most vacuums just avoid these areas. These are so tough, but the Z10 goes in, extends its mops, applies pressure, and it actually scrubs the floor. I love how you get all those edge crumbs off with snack or when I move furniture around. Now let's talk about suction. Okay, 15,000 PAR is the strongest suction I have ever used at this price point. I actually tested with all kinds of dirt on the floor. It didn't leave anything behind. Now here's the part that actually makes it luxury. The base station. This isn't just where it charges. It empties itself, washes and dries the mop with AI-powered hot water, and keeps dust locked away for up to 120 days. And it even adjusts the wash temperature based on how dirty the mop is. You don't have to touch or clean anything for weeks. It's kind of magical. These days, I keep it scheduled to clean every time after we leave home for errands. By the time we're back, the house feels freshly cleaned without me lifting a finger. And here's the bonus point, it's very quiet. Even when it's doing the self-cleaning, it runs at about 71 dB. It's only about half the noise of other models I've used. Let's be real, a lot of other robot vacuums look very tacky, very plasticky. They just don't look good. However, the Z10 actually looks stylish and sleek. It doesn't scream appliance, it just fits. So with all being said, if you've been thinking of upgrading your cleaning routine, the Narwal Freo Z10 is so worth it. And right now, it's on Prime Day sale. Use my code here to lock in the price. And trust me, if you have long hair, if you have kids, pets, or just want your time back, this is the one to get. I'll drop all the links in the description down below. If you have any questions about features I didn't cover, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Honestly, I used to spend like 20 to 30 minutes doing the vacuuming and mopping like almost every day. Now with Narwal Freo Z10, I don't even have to think about it. That's the biggest difference. It's like having a housekeeper who works while I'm living my life. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's peace of mind. And for that alone, I'd buy it again. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I will see you in the next one. Bye!